Hello everybody, this is the part 3 of JavaScript courses for beginner. In this lesson we gotta learn how to write our first script. Before we get started we need to use a good web browser like Firefox. The next of what we do is writing a simple HTML script to work with. This is the simple HTML script that I've created before the episode. I will open it by Notepad++. Notepad++, it's an open source software useful for any scripting language. I'm using it for this demo. So in the HTML script, we have just H1 title that show us in the main page of the or in the top of the page. Welcome to our first JavaScript code. So we will open it by our default navigator, which is Firefox. We will start here to work with JavaScript from the Scratchpad. Scratchpad, it's a useful option provided by the developer tools of Firefox Navigator. We just click right in the space here and choose inspect element. So we have what we call it or what we name it developer tools for Firefox, and probably you will not have the Scratchpad already activated. You gotta look for it here. So it's already just activated before the episode. We activate Scratchpad and we click on this option to show us the JavaScript editor. So from here we can write some useful command to talk with our web browser. So first of all, we gotta make a new JavaScript file in our work folder. We will choose script folder and we will name it main.js. We click on save and we have our file path here at the top of the window. So let's start here to talk with the browser by writing some essential JavaScript command. So we want to go to write the first command, which is alert command. And so after writing alert, we need the first parenthesis, and it will show us, this editor will show us some hinted information about commands. So the alert command need simple message, and the format of that message is string. So we need to type in something, and finally we need to finish this by adding a semicolon. So we are saying to the browser that it's a single full command. After that we click on run in the menu here. So here is our beautiful JavaScript alert. Let's minimize our navigator to work in a more better way. So we will add below that another useful command. It's a confirm command. Just we click confirm, we open our parentheses, we have what it hinted here, a message information, and the format of that message is a string. So let's type in, for example, do you love JavaScript? We need to finish with a semicolon. Let's run our code. This is the hello JavaScript alert and this is the confirm message. Do you love JavaScript? So it shows us the ability to press OK or to cancel. So we're gonna press OK. We're gonna add a third command called prompt. It's very similar to the previous command, except that it allows us to type in something in the message box. So, for example, how old are you? We need to add the semicolon after the statement, and we click on run. Here is our prompt message, for example 28, and so if we're gonna press cancel, we're gonna run away, or we can type our age, for example, in that case, and press OK. So here we go. We have our first program built by JavaScript. There is no difference. There is no difference between spacing or to make each statement in same line, to make all the statement in same line, like that, or just making a lot of space. But it would be better to minimize the spacing character and to avoid scripting a program that work more slowly in our browser. So that's all for today, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks.